Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Michael Jordan, the famous basketball player, once said in an interview that he failed 9,000 times before he achieved success in life. We all fail in one point or other, but understand the winner is not the one who is successful now. He may fail again, but the real winner is the person despite of failing multiple times but rise back with much more energy to fight back. So when failures comes, don't get down or get panic, but rise like a phoenix bird rising from the ashes to make much more bigger achievements in life. Understand, if there is a down, there is an up coming soon. And when it is dark, understand the sunrise will follow the dark. Hope you all loved today's content. For training requirements, contact me on the number given in description. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye-bye.